Which of the following cones is similar to the one above? The key word being similar. In order to compare different shapes for similarity, we need to set up a ratio. If I have two dimensions, I'm going to set up a ratio 7/11. Using my calculator, that simplifies to approximately 0.63. Now I want to do similar ratios comparing the bottom to the height on each one of the other shapes, looking for that same ratio. This one, the bottom is 9 divided by 13 is approximately 0.69. On answer B, the bottom is 3.5 divided by the height of 5.5. That works out to be approximately 0.63. It looks like that should be our answer, but let's check C and D first. Comparing the bottom, I have 5 divided by 8.3 is a 0.60 ratio. And the last one, the bottom, is 10 divided by 16 is going to give me a 0.625 ratio. The correct answer for this problem with matching ratios is answer choice B. Ying Yu bought a rectangular box to display her doll collection. She decided to exchange the box for a similar one that had double its dimensions. How does the volume of the larger rectangular box compare to the volume of the smaller box? And the way to do this, the key piece of information in here is to recognize that the dimensions are double from one box to the next. That's a scale factor of 2. We use SF to abbreviate scale factor. There's a comparison that we do to show the differences between scale factor when it has to do with perimeter, area, and volume. The scale factor is going to be the same when you're talking about perimeter. It doesn't change. When you talk about area, that's the A is for area, then you have to take the scale factor and you have to raise it to the second power or square it. When you're talking about volume, there's a third dimension involved, so this becomes scale factor cubed. So we look at the box and we're trying to see what the comparison is, and if we reread the statement, we're looking at a volume question. So if the scale factor is 2, if it's a perimeter question, it would be twice as big. If it were an area question, it would be 2 squared or 4 times as big. When you're talking about volume, it is 2 cubed or 8 times as big. So the volume is going to be 8 times as big, which is answer choice B.